Awning Window Installation in Bel Air, MD, is a service that requires precision and expertise. With a variety of awning windows Bel Air styles available, homeowners in Bel Air can choose from energy-efficient awning windows, custom awning windows, and more. The installation process is crucial to ensure that the windows function properly and provide the desired aesthetic appeal. Awning Windows Bel Air contractors are well versed in the latest installation techniques and can provide valuable insights into the best awning window brands and styles for your home. When it comes to awning window repair in Bel Air, Maryland, it's essential to address issues promptly to maintain the integrity and functionality of your windows. Common repair needs include fixing Awning Windows Bel Air locks, replacing Awning Windows Bel Air glass, and adjusting Awning Windows Bel Air hinges. Awning Windows Bel Air repair services in Bel Air, MD, offer comprehensive solutions to ensure your windows remain in top condition. Whether you have vinyl awning windows, aluminum awning windows, or wood awning windows, professional repair services can extend the lifespan of your windows. Energy-efficient Awning Windows Bel Air are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Awning Windows Bel Air experts can provide detailed information on the benefits of energy-efficient awning windows and help you select the right options for your home. With a focus on sustainability, these windows are an excellent investment for any Bel Air residents. Custom Awning Windows Bel Air offer homeowners the opportunity to personalize their window designs to match their unique style preferences. From selecting specific Awning Windows Bel Air sizes and colors to choosing the perfect Awning Windows Bel Air hardware, customization options are virtually limitless. Awning Windows Bel Air companies specialize in creating bespoke window solutions that cater to individual tastes and architectural requirements. With custom Awning Windows Bel Air, you can enhance the curb appeal and functionality of your Bel Air home. Awning Windows Bel Air replacement is a service that can significantly improve the appearance and performance of your home. Whether you're replacing outdated windows or upgrading to more energy-efficient options, Awning Windows Bel Air replacement services in Bel Air, MD, can provide expert guidance and installation. With a wide range of Awning Windows Bel Air brands and styles available, homeowners can find the perfect replacement windows to suit their needs and budget. Awning Window Installation in Bel Air, MD, is a service that many homeowners seek to enhance their home's aesthetic and functional appeal. With a variety of Awning Windows Bel Air styles available, residents can choose from vinyl awning windows, aluminum awning windows, and wood awning windows to match their home's design. Awning Windows Bel Air companies offer a range of options to suit different tastes and budgets, ensuring that every homeowner finds the perfect fit for their needs. Energy-efficient Awning Windows Bel Air are becoming increasingly popular as more people look to reduce their energy bills and carbon footprint. These windows are designed to provide excellent insulation, keeping homes warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Awning Windows Bel Air experts can provide detailed information on the benefits of energy-efficient awning windows and help homeowners choose the best options for their specific requirements. Custom Awning Windows Bel Air offer a unique opportunity for homeowners to personalize their window designs. Whether it's a specific size, color, or style, Custom Awning Windows Bel Air can be tailored to meet individual preferences. Awning Windows Bel Air contractors are skilled in creating bespoke solutions that enhance the beauty and functionality of any home. Awning Windows Bel Air repair in Bel Air, Maryland, is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Common issues such as broken Awning Windows Bel Air locks, damaged Awning Windows Bel Air hinges, or cracked Awning Windows Bel Air glass can be efficiently addressed by professional Awning Windows Bel Air services. Regular maintenance and timely repairs ensure that your windows remain in top condition for years to come. Vinyl Awning Windows Bel Air are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows are resistant to weathering and provide excellent insulation, making them an ideal option for homeowners looking for long-lasting and energy-efficient solutions. Awning Windows Bel Air reviews often highlight the benefits of vinyl Awning Windows Bel Air, making them a top choice for many. Aluminum Awning Windows Bel Air offer a sleek and modern look that complements contemporary home designs. Known for their strength and lightweight properties, aluminum Awning Windows Bel Air are a durable option that can withstand harsh weather conditions. Awning Windows Bel Air companies provide a wide range of aluminum window options to suit various architectural styles. Awning Window Installation in Bel Air, MD, is a service that many homeowners seek to enhance their home's aesthetics and functionality. With a variety of Awning Windows Bel Air styles available, residents can choose from vinyl Awning Windows Bel Air, aluminum Awning Windows Bel Air, and wood Awning Windows Bel Air to match their home's design. Awning Windows Bel Air companies offer a range of options to suit different tastes and budgets, ensuring that every homeowner finds the perfect fit for their needs. Energy-efficient Awning Windows Bel Air are becoming increasingly popular as more people look to reduce their energy bills and improve their home's insulation. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Awning Windows Bel Air experts can provide detailed information on the benefits of energy-efficient Awning Windows Bel Air and help homeowners select the best options for their specific requirements.